yellow ochre color, yellow color, purple color, gray color, green color, blue color, light pink color, orange color, black color, white color, and red color. Kids, now you draw A and use red color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Kids, now you draw D and use black color. T for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat. So now you draw H and use blue color. H for helicopter, I for ice cream, J for joker. So now you draw kite and use orange color. K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nose. So now you draw O and use green color. O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen. So now you draw R and use yellow color. R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher. So now you draw U and use purple color. U for umbrella, V for van, W for whale. So now you draw X and use yellow ochre color. X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.